Hey guys, welcome to Xetog.com. Hope you are doing well, and in this video we are going to see that the free items that we got from Envato Elements and we get this free items from Envato every month. We will be going to get free items from two websites of Envato. So stay with me and let's see. So this is our first item. This is, I guess, PowerPoint template. So I guess if you need this you can download it for free, but yes, the free items are only available for a month, that is June 2021. And if you are watching this video in June 2021, you can download these items. I will drop the link in the description below so you can get it from here. And on second you will get this photo. I guess you can use it if you would like to use it. And we have this triangle color, triangle logo. I guess this is a logo. And you will get this music. And yes, on 20th June we have Father's Day, so we have a free template over here. So the available file formats are Adobe Illustrator and PSD, which is for Photoshop. So that's good. And we have this font also, which is handwritten font. And we have this font also. And we have a stock video. If you want this, you can get it. And we will have this social media pack, and then that is pretty good. If you want this, you can take use of it. So yes, PSD files are here, and you can check the dimensions and everything. And you will have Instagram stories also. And we have this photo which is not needed, I guess. We have this Premiere Pro template, I guess. You can get it also. And we have this is a bit nice thing. So let's see. So this is email templates. If you are using like website and you have email service over there, and if you want to send emails to your customers, so you can take use of it and send it to your customers or clients. So you can see, like, these are demos. If you need this, you can take its use. So that's it. So now let's go to ThemeForest. You can access it from any website like CodeCanyon or VideoHive, anything. So you just have to go on the bottom side, the bottom where it is yes, this grab June's free items, June month's free items. So we will have this photo of doctor, and this music, and you have this YouTube subscribe pack, which is pretty good, I guess. Like, you can take its use. I am going to use it on my videos, on my upcoming videos, but currently let's not use it. So you can download these also. And if you have a YouTube channel or managing someone's YouTube channel, so you can take its use. So we have this Mac monitor in 3D files. We have this graphics of Lightroom, I guess, which is pretty cool. Yes, this is very cool. You can also use it on your mobile app, so that's cool actually. And we have this Lara desk, help desk, ticketing system. If you are like using if you are having hosting website or similar website where you have to resolve customer queries, so you can take its use. And since I don't have any of that, so I will not use it. And we have this personal portfolio also. Let's see how it is. and the animation was pretty good. Yes, animation is good here. And we have like 4 demos, but I don't see any uniqueness. The animations are good, but UI is not properly designed, I guess. But yes, everything is good. Yeah, you have like block section also, where you will have pop up option to show the block, and this video is good here. Yes, and the main reason he put maybe the person put this in below so that the website can have a lower rate, lower speed index. So you have all these. Yes, that's it. So yes, this was um, the free items for the month. So I hope you will like this video. I will give the link in the description for both of the websites, so you can download it for free for only this one. But if you will view this video after a month, so these files will not be available. But yes, there will be a different files. I will give the link in the description, so you can check that if you want to.